is a sweet vegetable stir-fry sauce recipe for rice that keeps me eating even when I was full. The simplicity of the ingredient recipes of this gorgeous goodness and procedure is second to none. That means it could be suitable for you at all times, especially if you are on budget. Just come with me, let me walk you through this. Hello, it's Chinedu Vincent from salpesfoodblog.com, and we teach you how to make pastries, snacks and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. For this gorgeous recipe, we'll be using some tozo from beef, curry powder, chicken seasoning cube, thyme, then ginger and garlic. So transfer into your pot, add some thyme, your curry powder and chicken seasoning cube, mix to combine, then add some water and allow to cook. I added little water because much water will be added along the way to generate stock. So over here is my mortar. I'll add my ginger and garlic and go ahead and mash them. As you can see, the meat is cooking. So I'll add my ginger and garlic blend and still allow to cook them more. But before then, I added some more water here. So let's cook. So while the meat is cooking, I'll prep my vegetables. I have different vegetables, some carrots, cabbage, green scotch bonnet pepper. And while using this green scotch bonnet pepper, please endeavor to remove the seed, otherwise your food will be too spicy. Okay, over here I have my green bell pepper, which I will also be using because of its high nutritional benefits and flavor as well. So I'll cut them into longer strips after removing all the seeds. Our green beans is not left behind. It just requires lots of vegetables. So make your choice of vegetable and slice them. Let's continue with the cooking. There are many vegetables to use, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be using only the ones you've seen so far. Feel free to adjust, remove or add any one you don't like. So to our meat, it is properly cooked now. So I'll add some water for stock and set it aside. So I added some vegetable oil into my pan and add my sliced onion, then stir fry for a while before adding the rest of the ingredients. So I'll add my diced scotch bonnet pepper and stir fry for a while. To my cabbage, I divided it into 2 equal parts, 1 part into tiny strips, which goes in now. Please note that this is the foundational aspect of this sauce making. The taste of a sauce is being determined at this very level. So I'll turn them and allow to soften a bit, and if possible, leave to caramelize. The other big cut of cabbage will be used later, and please note that the use of cabbage on this sauce is strictly optional. At this point, the vegetable have started browning from the underneath. So season with some thyme. Seasoning cube goes in next. Then the ginger and garlic mash. My spicity seasoning, which I added just for some color. So mix to combine and add your meat and the stock alongside. So we add them. We'll add more water enough for the sauce, and once it begins to boil again, begin to introduce the rest of your vegetable. So we'll add our carrots, our green bell peppers, our green scotch bonnet pepper, our red peppers. All the vegetables goes in next. Then the big strips of cabbage goes in, the green beans. So I will quickly mix them to combine and allow the heat to cook them just for a minute. Then our sauce will be ready. So tell me, what do you feel like concerning the size of the cabbage, the carrot, just the sizes of my vegetable? I think I like it this way. It gives it unique look and appearance, but let me hear your own opinion of what you think. So over here I have some flour and I am adding water to it. If you have corn flour, please make use of corn flour. It's actually the same process, just add your water and mix to dissolve. So I also added sweetener, which is sugar, to the sauce just to sweeten the sauce a bit. You can skip the process. I did it off camera, so I have to inform you. Please take note. So now that our sauce is ready, we have to bring it down, boil our rice and serve nice. So it is time to serve the rice. I will flip to the other side and dish my sauce right inside here, and boom, man, look at this sauce. It tastes better than what you see. One good thing about this sauce is it's not expensive at all, so you can make it if you're on budget. You can, and your family will still appreciate you. You can't come and kill yourself, my dear. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Just look at this. Look at this. Is this not gorgeous? Oh my goodness. I can't wait to have a taste. Ouch. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you are yet to do so. Visit us at salpesfoodblog.com, and please don't forget to follow us on all our social media handle at Salopes Kitchen. Until I come your way, bye for now.